Gaur World SmartStreet is poised to be one of the greatest retail and commercial hub in Greater Noida West. Located just 2.5 kilometers from Gaur City, this teeming hub is home to a massive emporium exclusively for retail brands, shopping complexes, kiosks, food courts and office spaces, where brands and businesses will find opportunities that can lead to unprecedented success. You can now book retail shop at 19.99 lakhs. Why invest in Gaur World SmartStreet? RERA approved project UPRA app 674297. The best and last option to invest in this area. Right on 130-meter wide road. More than 5 lakh residents in the vicinity. 2.5 kilometers from Gaur Chowk. 7 kilometers from NH9, NH24. 9 kilometers from Sector 71, Noida. 3 side open corner plots. 70% loan available. Possession in 2022. Here is the floor plan for all the floors, lower ground floor to 7th floor. The construction is in full swing and the deadline for possession would surely be met. If you are looking to buy a commercial property including retail shops in Delhi NCR and specifically in Greater Noida, Noida or Noida Extension, then the project Gaur World SmartStreet is a perfect business investment opportunity. To know more about the price list of various shops available or to request Gaur World Street Mall brochure, please call us now. Remember, experts believe that this may be the best and last option to invest in Greater Noida, Noida or Noida Extension.